I love a 7 trade, man. Just a passion. Like I say, one of my first 7 trades. My first car was a 7 trade, so I've been in love with them ever since. Mic check, mic check. Y'all check this out, man. 7 trade day, all right? As you see, we here. We got 2 7 trades side by side to show y'all what it's about. You know what I'm saying? Don't get up about that 7.5, 7.1, 7.4. Get up about that there. It's about 7 trades, man. But everybody welcome, man. The address is 14399 Northeast 19th Avenue, Desertland Park, Miami.
I want to thank all the sponsors: Horsepower Sales, Noel's Muffler, Worldwide Racing. I want to thank the volunteers that came out to help the North Miami Police Department for providing the vehicles, the autism car, and the breast cancer awareness.
Come on, support, man. Just do what we got to do. Have fun, man. We're going to celebrate, man. This is Legend Racing first annual.
Look how I look. What made me pick the money's like are the hardest new rims that's out. You feel me? Like upgraded to the right company, especially on these old school. Look how I look.
Done.
Look how I look.
Super clean.
I'm clean. I mean, I'm so excited, words can't explain it. You feel me? For real.
More dollars. Let's go.
7 trade day.
MURFF, thank you.
Yes, sir, boss. Appreciate it. Second place, photo, top of line of the dunk, 7 trade day. It is what it is, y'all. We here, 7 trade. Second place, y'all, photo.
We, as car guys, also deal with situations that, you know, breast cancer and different variants of it. So, no further ado, I introduce you to...
Hello, I'm Debbie and Linda from the Florida Breast Cancer Foundation.
And we're so lucky to be here today and so delighted that Donovan invited the Florida Breast Cancer Foundation to participate.
Third place, top of line of the dunks, 1973. Convertible, y'all already know. Third place. Second place, top of line of the dunk, 7 trade. 1973 convertible. Second place, y'all. First place, convertible. Here's what it is, y'all already know. Top of the line of the dunk, man. We got first place right here. That's it. That's it.
Awareness to autism.
Thank you for having us. I appreciate it. This is Lasagna, volunteer representing and a parent also of a child with autism. representing South Florida Autism Charter School, the only school like this in South Florida. So this is a big event. I'm looking forward to having us connect with 7 TRE Day annually, up and coming, and I think it's just going to get bigger and better as we move through new annual events.
Top of the line of the dunks. Photo, one of my favorite dunks, but I ain't judge it. It's my favorite. First place, man. Photo, man. Top of the line. It is what it is, y'all. 7 TRE Day, man. It is what it is, y'all. 7 TRE Day 2021. See y'all next year, 2022. We'll make it happen again.